Welcome to Botanic Gardens AR. Today I'll be demoing our app for everyone to see. I will now make an account and sign up. I'll put in the username. I'll put in the email. And let's type in the password. And we can sign up. And we're here. So within the app, we are able to adjust the audio using the slider here. And let's start our app. So when opening the app, there will be a quick introduction on Botanic Gardens and how the game will work, showing the image targets to scan, showing like how the greenhouse works, and as well as the map, and introducing our toggle buttons as well. So first of all, I will show that you're able to toggle the camera. So I will now toggle the camera off, and I will toggle it on by pressing the camera button. And if you're ever lost, you can click the question mark button. It will show the instructions and what you need to do again. So first of all, I will scan the map image. This map is like a mini AR map of Botanic Gardens where you can scale it. And you can also play some animations. As you can see, the clouds will move up and down now. And also you can play with the music as well. And now I'll turn it off. You can turn it back on. I will now scan the gazebo image. When scanning, there will be a mini gazebo and you can click on the UI button to start the interaction. So this is a quick introduction to it, where now we can build. Now let's build our fence. We ground plane it and drag it towards the middle. Next we can do the roof. We spawn it using ground plane and then we drag it to the top. And now the floor, where we use a ground plane and we move it towards the middle and tap to finish. Great, now that we've finished it, we can now decorate it. So next. So by decorating, we can press on streamers, flowers, and rocks as well. Once done, we can click on finish, and that's our first interaction done. Now that I have finished one area, the areas left has gone to 3. So next I will be scanning the maze area. So now we click on the UI button to explain how to play. So you have to complete all 3 mazes within 100 seconds and you have to move this monkey. So every time you press the arrow, the monkey will move once. So let's quickly finish this first maze. Now that we finished the first one, we can go to the second maze. Alright, now the third maze. Alright, so now our final score will be the time remaining, and that is the maze area done. So now let's scan the learning forest. First of all, like the rest, we have to click on the UI button, and now you'll be introduced to the learning forest and how it works. So it uses ground plane and airplane. However, sometimes the angle is a little bit weird, unfortunately, but basically you can spawn it, spawn the area, and you can spawn the questions, and you have to drag the stick to the correct model or the correct option you think it is. So the first question is correct, and when you're correct, more things will appear in your learning forest. And if you get it correct, you see confetti, and then you can tap on the models of the things that you got correct. So you see, tap on the duck, you can tap on the flowers, butterflies will spawn. You can tap on the monkey, he will jump up and down. So the next question. So we got our third question correct. So let's go on to our fourth question. So let's again drag the stick. Unfortunately, we got it wrong, so nothing new will appear here. As you can see, when tapping on the large trees as well, there will be a big bird flying through the trees. However, we got our last question wrong, so there's nothing new as well to see. But let's go to the last area, where we'll learn everything about recycling and collecting trash. So let's click on the UI. So we have to pick up trash, spawn on the screen within 10 seconds, as much as we can. So we can tap on them. Alright, so we have collected all the items. Now we have to change the image target to recycle the items that we have just collected. So this game will now teach us how to recycle. And you see all these bins. So when you tap on the box, it will spawn a random model. So it will pick within the bottle seen earlier, the can or the paper, and you can drag them to the correct box. So if it's all, these are all spawning cans as now, so let's all put them into metal. And now we have a piece of paper. However, I couldn't finish putting them all on time. But now the greenhouse is open after reaching 4 areas. So now we can successfully scan the greenhouse. Now we can tap on the greenhouse, and it will spawn us into the greenhouse scene. Now there will be a set of instructions on how to control the player controller of the greenhouse. And also there are toggle buttons as well if the player is ever confused or they want to leave. So this is our greenhouse area, which is only exclusive to the AR app. You can control the camera and you can walk. Now if the player is ever lost, they can always click on the question mark button again to see the controls. And if they would like to leave, they can click the back button. And now we're back in our main menu. We can click on the picture, where they are able to take a picture of themselves or the surroundings at Botanic Gardens and enter a competition. Alright, so let's go back to our main menu by clicking the back button again. We can also go to our website by clicking the website button. And we can log out. And we can exit through the exit button as well. And that is all for our demo. Thank you.